Yeah, you're in tune to QSV. Musically, it's all about entertainment. Yeah. Subscribe. Yeah, at the real esprit. Salute from now till eternity.
I am in Wakefield today. Yeah, the cool Wakefield. I'm gonna surprise one of our most unique residents in this community. He's a very sought after individual. Somebody who is of help to everyone, whether young, old, middle age, yeah, even the baby uses all type of tablets. So guess what? We are at his workplace, his home. He doesn't know we're coming. We're here. We're gonna squeeze up on him. I'm gonna surprise him just as I'm gonna surprise you. Alright? So guess what? Yeah! Ductaa! Well, go on.
Yeah, right now.
Bless up. Yes, my peeps, this is the Queen of Spain Valley channel, you know, one of the most informative panels, and we are here vibing today in the cool Wakefield community. You know, it's one of those communities that is a part of the Queen of Spain Valley. You know, we as a channel, we try to cover persons and activities happening within the Queen of Spain Valley, so that persons can see, persons who are not here, persons who maybe not be at the event, and persons who are not aware, know what's happening. So today, that's one of our mission, and we are going to be doing a very keen feature today on a gentleman who is very unique. We don't find a lot of these type of persons in our general vicinity. And as a result of that, we want to highlight him, we want to let you know the value of this gentleman, and just give you a little highlight as to how he may maybe someday be of help to you and what he has been doing over the years. So I am here with Mr. Robinson. Most persons know him as Ductaa. So we are going to be holding a vibes with Ductaa today. As you can see, he's busy doing what he does best, which is fixing and getting any appliance you have. You know him as the technician, the #1 technician in the Queen of Spain area, and that is undisputed. Nobody can go against that, I'm sure. So if you want any appliance you have damaged and you want it fixed, this is the man for the job. So today we are here with Ductaa. Ductaa, what go on?
Yeah, man, bless up, man, there, brother.
Bless up, man,
Yeah,
bless up, man.
Yeah,
It's a good look, it's a good look.
It.
You see you're busy doing one of the things what everybody know you're very good at.
Yeah, for the work, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
you know, before we delve into all of that, just give the people maybe an idea of who Ductaa is, where Ductaa coming from. Did you born and grow in this community?
Yeah, man, born and grow around here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And brothers and sisters and family.
brothers, no sisters.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And you grew up around here. This is your playground.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you have always lived in Bunkers.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Never did
Definitely.
nowhere else.
All right. So people, this is Ductaa. Went to the Bunkers Hill School.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you left here.
Primary.
So it's from
Granville
Unity
School.
to Granville.
And then Great Company, Herbert Morris, you know?
Herbert Morris, wow, Comfrey.
Yeah,
You got the Comfrey peeps
Yeah,
then.
that's the way things start, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the love for technician basically started there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, start there and then Mr. Chato, you know? Wakefield Square.
Oh.
Yeah, and after that, with the on one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr.
Working
Chato.
a few shops. Found more be the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know, be tired.
Yeah.
That's a place.
So persons who want to find you,
Yeah,
can this is where you find him, right in Bunkers Hill. Yeah.
Yeah,
You know, after you come down that hill pass, get a lane.
Yeah.
Right down that hill, turn on your right.
And then on the Google map too, so
Yeah.
yeah, just Google Grades Electronics.
Okay.
Yeah, miss.
So how long have you been doing technician work?
Yeah. Like forever, you know, from I left school.
You haven't done anything else?
No. Apart from that, I play music. That's the next.
So it's music and
Yeah,
technician.
music and technician.
So we soon get into the music part because
Yeah.
you see this man is diverse now, it's not just one thing.
There you go, man.
Yeah. So the technician, the love for it started from Herbert Morrison.
Yeah.
And did you get formal training at Herbert Morrison?
Yeah, man. Alright, there was a teacher there named Salai. Well, he died a couple years ago. Yeah, rest in peace, Salai. I knew that I give it evening class.
Okay.
Do it as subject. And then he go get evening class from it. But show it.
Okay.
But the next two guys, them they're fine still. And I only one still there.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Go there, school there over 2:30. And we never left school till after 7. And I'm going to be at that time, I'm going to be left from come up. Then the hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Just because I...
Yeah, so they love keep you going even
At
when
one
school
point,
over.
at one time, I have to walk from Dumfries bottom, where Lime Medicine, to Wakefield.
People, if
Me
you know,
alone.
you know how far Dumfries is from.
Me alone. Because we come from
Talking
school
about
and-
3 miles or more.
Yeah, man. We come from school and now drive rain and fall every day. And we see one truck. When anyone knows I Dumfries bottom, I never know I Lime and truck.
Yeah.
But when we see everybody go on it, go on it. Oh, I just say truck man was driving a yard, man, everybody start walking. Which I Dumfries stop, everybody turn off. I'm alone, I'm the gate, I'm in the whole area.
Have walk.
Yeah, man, walk.
People that's over 3 miles you're talking
man.
about, you know.
Yeah, man, just because of this.
Because of the love of-
school over 2:30.
Alright.
Yeah.
So
I didn't think the man.
Doctor, can you remember maybe the first thing you have ever maybe worked on?
First, we fixed up on Walkman.
Okay.
Back in the
So yeah, man I come from Walkman days.
Walkman days.
Yeah.
I don't think I fixed properly here, but I first fixed that too.
And from this you know,
And let's say, yeah.
the thing grew
It's
because
increased, man.
yes.
Yeah, man, step up a thing.
Yeah, so doctor,
Yeah.
as we are talking about the early stages and you know, even what you went through coming from school during that time. Have you ever thought about not going through with all of this and just doing something else
Just doing
after
something else. One at a time. One
Yeah.
at a time when it get rough. But so that's something I love.
that? Yeah.
You know, when you eventually still have to do it.
Yeah.
You know, eventually still have to do it.
Yeah. Because this is what you love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even during school days. When I do working experience at JPS, I do working experience in Hamburg, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I get called 3 times to go down there go do work. So
Okay.
3 times then come so I come in
Doing
for
technician
interview and
things.
so. If electrical work.
Electrical.
Yeah.
Okay.
I say, me can't climb light post and say, and the man I say, no man, I'm in office man, but that never really my thing.
No.
No.
Your thing was
Yeah.
the hands-on thing
Yeah.
where you're doing what you did, like stuff
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. This is my thing, and this is me always want to do.
So coming up over the years, because you said the first thing you fixed was a Walkman.
Yeah.
And so many things have changed in terms of technology and the development during the development of time. So how have you coped
Well,
with
yeah,
all of
we
that?
continue study, do your research and
Mm-hmm.
catch on the newer things that come in.
Okay.
Most of what me they fix now. When me they learn to do them things, I never think them exist yet.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You understand? But you
Yeah.
have to continue to do your research very easy. I know, because first time I book with you, that I have to get and do something. Now you have YouTube and
Okay.
some all for other days you can go do some research.
So you do your regular
Yeah, man, I
research
do my
and
regular research, man.
so you update
And
yourself
yeah,
in
man,
that
in a
way.
regular electronics group, in a Wolper group,
Okay.
where you learn from and you share knowledge same way what you know with them.
Okay.
So
So
that's
so
how you
so
continue.
so for example, if you're trying to fix something or you have something to fix and there's a challenge and you're not getting it done the way you want,
Yeah.
how would you move from there? What step would you take from there?
You do a research on it, or if you have friends that do in the same electronics like
Mm-hmm.
you can ask them and then we share them point of view and then you put ones and ones together and you know. Yeah, do it that way. And if you do it that way, you can always try one external, but
Yeah.
you know normally have problem when you fix just so. Unless
Mm.
you can't get the parts right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah man, we normally have some channel you can go to.
And this channel will inform you as to
Yeah,
what
yeah,
moves to make.
yeah.
Because
Because we normally share knowledge, you know. So if me have one problem, for me not understand, me have other technicians we link with them, we can get some information from Punish. Same like when them have other problem,
them
them
can link.
can call me and say, I'm say, alright, do so and do so. As long as me know about it, then I have no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of people getting to you, how would people get to you?
Like,
Is there a
yeah,
number them can
yeah,
call?
yeah,
All right, so later on we'll get to
yeah.
that. So,
There's a number, man.
because I'm seeing that a lot of people always have all type of devices,
Yeah,
and
man.
sometimes you find that they just throw it down because
Yeah,
they don't know that somebody is around who can do all of, of
yeah.
this. So we're later on, peeps, we're gonna shout out doctor's contact so that you can have it. I mean, if you need to contact him for anything, he's right here.
Mm-hmm.
Just on that too, in terms of customers, how your customers feel when them come and you fix up, man? Them see say it work.
Well, them feel good, man. A great joy. I mean, like when we work, but then they fix good, and the man say, oh,
Yeah,
boy, you know, say, a couple years ago you fix it, and still they go on. I
yeah,
like them thing there.
yeah,
I like,
yeah.
I know just the money, you know.
It's a
No, you
joy.
want to know, say, then get them proper service out of what then come deal with. Yeah. So, it's good, man.
It's
Yeah,
a good
man.
look. We living in Queen of Spain, and it's a big place, a number
Yeah,
of
man.
communities.
Yeah.
And we would say you are one of the best technician as it comes on to getting any type of devices fixed. How about the youngsters coming up, the training for those persons?
Well,
Anybody ever like link you up and say, boy, they want to learn how to do the thing?
not really, no. Back then, but not now. The youngsters, them nowadays, different thing them. They not think about this. Yeah. Them have some different thinking right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. To me, skill and a power for them. Like how me see it.
Okay.
Yeah. But then when places that they full up all for young, they want to do this, I want to do that, I want to speak or this. No, that's a speak or anything. Nobody don't want anything again. Nobody could come to see one speaker that's anywhere in the shop or out
Yeah,
the door. So.
yeah.
Everybody
Somebody,
will take
somebody
everyone and
come
go
on.
fix up, go do something. Things change, so I just saw things set now.
So we're imploring the youngsters to find doctor, man. You come home from school and you finish your homework and you don't really have much to do. Find doctor. Don't just go on the tablet and the devices and play it. Learn how to fix it. That means if
Yeah,
something wrong with it, you can fix it yourself.
yeah.
And you can maybe turn it into a skill. You know? So come find doctor. Because especially people in Bunkers Hill, they know exactly where doctor is, the youngsters who are
Come on.
close by. You can find them, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So in terms of the music, is it the lover technician that brought you to music?
Alright. I don't really love a technician because I love music differently because
Okay.
I kind of grew up in a church environment. Well, my father was a churchman. He was a deacon. From me know my mother and father them a go to church.
Okay.
Never see them out of church yet. So church stuff usually store. And we gotta keep the church equipment them here.
Okay.
So, well, like, you know, they and then go and work, and so we can connect one little thing for them and play two music. Connect one Walkman for them and play two music.
Yes.
But me know say then soon come and disconnect and I understand. So that's a early start. Usually I mean like a turntable record change or something call it.
So that's
the
where you learn
record
to do the
and
mixing
so,
from
playing.
playing.
I coincident thing there. One time I connect it wrong and burn up it and put it down because you know thing. No say I'm about to know anything. No say
it's a good thing this around when him know the road.
Yeah, understand. I mean, I probably get too conky in here and still.
You know, but I guess that is where a number of youngsters come from in terms of learning to do some of these things. You know, because they say you have to make mistake first.
Yeah.
You know. So can you maybe list some of the things you have fixed over the years? Can you give me an idea?
What a list?
People give me an idea. You don't have to go far in a list.
I fix all major appliances.
Yeah.
Yeah. I fix TV, radios, computers, fridge board, washing machine board, stove where use current, blender, microwave, amplifier, speaker. I do car system too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so car audio. And we do a few church system to see it. Outdoor sound system.
A Queen of Spain Valley people are hearing what's happening. So he has listed just a few because I'm sure he has even more. Like, you know?
Yeah,
so anything, any appliance you have at home and there's an issue, let's bring it to Ductaa. You understand me? Transportation it won't be too far because it's right, arm's reach.
If you can't make it, you can pick up and deliver.
Okay. Yeah. You know? So
not for free though.
No. So I will want in terms of cost, you maybe give an idea.
Cost?
Yeah.
Well, the cost, I can't really give an idea of the cost no, because it depends on the problem.
Depends on what the issue is.
And depends on the parts. The parts cost. Or sometimes they put the parts they want. Some of them very expensive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, me have parts some, but me not have much.
Yeah, so that's
everything going.
I was gonna ask if you have parts.
Yeah, me have parts with some, not all.
Okay.
But you know, everything different and you different parts of. Sometimes I see some brand and different things.
Okay. Is there anywhere around that people can get parts?
Well, we buy parts from a system. Barney Street.
Okay.
Yeah. And OCS.
Okay.
Yeah, them are the main place to buy parts. Otherwise, online.
Okay. So people, as you said, Ductaa have some of the parts, but some of them might have to source it at systems and other places.
Yeah.
You know? So Ductaa, the sound, high grade.
Yeah.
What the name come in, high grade?
I say high grade now. I'm really rusty, you know.
Oh.
I'm really rusty.
Rusty.
But then I mean rusty, Kojak and sour. Rusty we have the sound name weed, but Rusty sound we have name before me now.
Okay. So we say Ductaa, the bad sound high grade.
Yeah.
Get its name based on the influence of Rusty.
Yeah man, Rusty man. Rusty sounds there from day one.
Yeah.
And the whole 4 years ago, I can't tell how much years.
I started out as small.
Small so.
But we have seen it growing over the years.
Yeah man.
Now you can play it at any function.
Any function man.
Yeah, so people,
Yeah, man,
high grade is here, the sound. So you do the work on the sound if anything happens.
Yeah man.
So you don't have to worry about any sound breaking down or your party or anything. The technician is there right away.
Yeah.
Alright. So you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
Alright. So what are some of the where are some of the places you have played?
Well, I play in our whole region. I play, man.
Right. Over
Trelawny sometime. Clinton sometime.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it a juggling sound or is it a crash sound?
Well, no really clash not really go on and clash kind of cost too much. So I juggling anyway, but you know, say if I clash, I clash.
Yeah.
Yeah, but juggling right now.
And you have dub plates.
Yeah, man.
Who are some of the artists who maybe have on dub plates? You know, if you tell them a tune, you can maybe
Some of the greats.
Some of the greats.
Well, we have Luciana. We have Mighty Diamonds.
Yeah,
Couple big artists.
Big
well,
artists,
man.
big artists.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We have
man.
all Greg with it.
Yes.
Yeah, man, for a long time too. So,
I know when you talk about
Youth and
tune
Greg,
what
and
people
work
can't
catalog.
get again.
Yeah.
You can't get a
Yeah.
Gregory. You
Yeah.
can't get a Mighty
No.
Diamonds them drop
Yeah.
out. So,
Yeah.
you know, these are legendary,
Yeah.
lasting
A
tunes.
couple of dead man in our box series.
From unleaded, so, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So big up the sound I agree. So how would people contact you? Give them your contact, because this is not just somebody for technician work, this is somebody for entertainment as well. So we're gonna ask Doctor as we're wrapping up, we're gonna ask Doctor to give out his contact so people can get
yeah,
a
man,
hold
the
of him.
contact 332-4458.
Yeah.
876.
Alright, people.
332-4458.
And as we're wrapping up, what encouragement would you give to the younger ones coming up and persons around here as it relates to skills and learning your type of work and some of the benefits and so on?
Skill is power, you know. Skill is power. So don't care what the skill is and you like it, do it. You might not make nothing at first, but as long as you have a skill, you have the power to make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway at all of that. As long as you're good at what you're doing, you're going to find it.
Remember that.
That is it, man.
Alright. So Doctor, anybody want to shout out before we leave?
Well, I'm big up the whole high grade team from day one.
Yeah.
All Bungazil, Wakefield, friendship. That's it.
Alright, so big up
man.
Doctor.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Doctor shouting out to the whole massive, and I'm Lucy.
Yeah, man, I'm big up
the
to
entire,
all who can work on the shop.
yeah, big up the customers.
Big up all the customers.
Yeah.
The blessed customers as can't one of them. Big up the blessed customers. Them.
Yes, man.
Alright.
The blessed customers,
The blessed customers.
Alright, bless up.
Alright.
And let's just big up our team at the Queen of Spain Valley channel. It's a team that is hard working behind the scenes. You may not see them, but you're here. This is the channel for Queen of Spain. We want to highlight a number of activities around here. So we're going to be shouting out to our Facebook and contact numbers shortly for people to contact us if you have any events. Contact us for anything, you know, because we're going to be around to shout out the individuals around the area. So guess what? Big up the Queen of Spain Valley channel. Big up my entire Queen of Spain people, whether you're home in Jamaica or you're overseas. Big up on yourself. We're out. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, and that one already and out here. Just don't fix.
The one already right now.
High grade him and go kill another jump and there is too much labyrinth going on. Hey, too much backbiting. Every sound wants to be king. There is too much slaying. Too much long talking. High grade sound I have to win. And then me can't take the blum blum, ratatata blum blum. High grade him a go kill another jump and can't take the blum blum, ratatata blum blum. High grade him a go kill another jump and Wi-Fi.
I bring down to play, to run away. It was a crowded night, a night like this, when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by High Town. As the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears to the soundbox beat. I said to myself that I must rise and tell the human race that I know my grave was made to serve God, and forever we rule all over. My great time was made to serve God, and forever we rule all over. Upon this road on which I trod to teach the word of God, my Bible is my only